This is how to create burn-down chart in Jira. From your dashboard, go to Projects, select the project you want to create a burn-down chart, and click its void, and go to Reports, then choose Burn-down Chart. You can select the sprint to view the chart. Okay, let's say 4. And let's select issue count. There's no story points, and let's say issue count. And this is your burn down chart. You can also edit your chart by editing sprint, or you can delete sprint. You can also reopen the sprint found in your board. So this is how to create burn down chart in Jira.